that funny for you?
No.
Do I seem funny? Look at this fucking glory.
Rude.
Blockbuster, that's what it is. He took CDs and put them in an envelope. And boom.
How rude.
That's what I call it. These Emmys? Bullshit, Emmy. Bullshit, 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 bullshit.
How rude.
Give it all back, because it's bullshit. Give me Shredder.
You need parking
I
now?
don't need parking!